Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we are going to take a look at a couple of different examples of warm-up exercises. Now before we do that, let me briefly talk about warming up. Now just as athletes take time to stretch and warm up before they perform their sport, I believe that as guitar players, if we incorporate that discipline of warming up in our day-to-day practice, I believe we can see significant differences in our performance and playing. Now I truly believe that when I warm up, I'm a lot more flexible on my fingers. So I hope you really try that. Here's your first example at a very slow tempo. On the left hand, I'm going to use one finger per fret, and on the right hand, I'm going to use alternate picking, which means I'm going to start on a downstroke and I'm going to end on an upstroke. Here's the first example, very slow. Now I'm going to play this example at a slightly faster tempo. Now I'm going to play it at a slightly faster tempo. Now let me try that at a faster tempo. And so on and so forth. Now my next example is going to be based on the same idea but a slightly different variation. I'm going to do 2-string and 3-string and 4-string variation so you can take a look at. Here's the first one. Let's take a look at that again. Now let's see if we can speed that up again. Now let's do a 3-string version of the same exercise. Now let's do that a little faster. Now let's do a 4-string version of that same exercise. Let's try that a little faster. Well, hopefully you can take that and make your own variations and then have fun with that exercise. Hopefully that tip helped. See you next time.